On October 5th, a hurricane was forecasted to hit the west side of Florida on October 9th. Originally, it was forecasted to be a Category 2 at landfall, but quickly throughout the day, the forecast kept changing for a bigger, stronger hurricane. I live on the west side of Florida in Tampa Bay area, St. Petersburg to be exact, so this hurricane was forecasted to come straight towards me. This happens often in Florida, so you don't really take it too seriously when it's 4 days out. But as it got closer to landfall, the path kind of just kept staying aimed pretty much right at us, with barely any shifts north or south.
Will the storm be moving northeast, or will it follow the red line and jog east to Sarasota?
At this point in time, it's going to be difficult for the storm to kind of take a hard right and follow that red line that
but
you
Justin,
see.
if that's true, this is heading to Tampa.
Yes.
Only 4 hours before landfall, and it looked like it was heading straight for us. This was super terrifying.
In St. Pete and Tampa. So Tampa, you are going to be in the Eyewall. St. Petersburg, you are going to be in the northern Eyewall.
Dang, that is crazy strong wind right there. So this wall behind me is facing, it's blocking the wind. If I come around the corner, and then look, I come back around by the protected wall and it's like calm, and I go back. Jesus, dude, it looks like there's a tornado out there. Damn! Oh my god. Dude, do you want to stand in it for real? Alright. Dude, here, show me. I'm gonna stand in it. Oh, hang on. Wind! Coming from the north! Wow! Dude, be careful! Oh my god! Dude. That was too much! Sometimes I think it's getting... Kind of scared to look over here too, man. Ah, someone else is doing it. The power flash.
You want to film me like doing that right now?
Oh yeah, with your phone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god, dude! Dude, we got that on, oh my god. So the wind's gonna at least blow it that way. Aren't you glad you came up here? Yeah. Don't be like me, alright? Oh, there's power flashes! I am taking one for the team! Stay safe inside! I don't want to fall over!
Milton wants his stapler!
Yeah, and I'm not gonna give it back!
Ah! The northern Eyewall of a Category 3! Woo!
So over 2 hours later, the worst had passed us, but it was still definitely very windy. I got out my good camera to get some high quality footage. Shingles everywhere.
like hasn't been raining for hours.
Yeah, I know, right? Right next to my apartment and just down trees everywhere. This is crazy. Ah, what's up, dude? We need your energy.
That is how we do in Florida, man.
How would you describe last night?
Dude, I was on rooftop. I did 50 push-ups, 20 burpees.
Woo!
It was 12 a.m. That is how we do in Florida, sir. What are you talking about?
Every traffic light is out of power. Bunch of downed trees. We watched the storm from right up there, top floor. What happened there?
The car got stuck, I guess.
God, that is insane, dude. That's terrible. This is a damage survey from 2 hurricanes here. We got garbage from Helene, and then we got wind damage from Milton.
Yeah, they're telling the news
This is trash.
they're piling it all up, getting rid of it.
Trash has not gone anywhere.
They probably just didn't have time.
Got a, yeah, and then down tree can't even cross. Checkers lost the sign. The sign. It's a sign that it was windy. That tree couldn't stand it. A fresh. Dang.
Dude, that guy must be like, why the f?
Dang. And this G2 a little bit.
This guy with a generator. I wonder why my power's down. Broke your neck.
That fence blew over from the wind.
That's insane.
That is some strong wind.
Wow. It's so good it fell that way
Wow.
and not the other way.
Sidewalk ain't doing so good. Yeah.
Yeah, she's like, I got some camera time. She's like, I have to leave the report. Give me some camera time. Oh, what? How old is this dog? 9. Oh,
I got the Sony FX30, they got the Sony FX6. I like it, I like it. Yours is better than mine. Yeah, you know. Well, we've become a billboard-free city. It's kind of cool, actually. Can't believe they thought that was a good spot for their boat. Oh, what's up, Chris? It really is.
And that was going way farther.
That roof started coming. I feel like I'm looking at a...
These radar images show how close we really were to the eye of the storm.